First question. Who was known as the Iron Man of India? Correct answer is option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question 2. Who was the first president of independent India? Correct answer is option A. Rajendra Prasad. Next question 3. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question 4. India became independent on. Correct answer is option B. 15th August 1947. Next question 5. The Constitution of India came into force on. Correct answer is option B. 26th January 1950. Next question 6. Who discovered the sea route to India? Correct answer is option B. Vasco da Gama. Next question 7. Vasco da Gama reached India in. Correct answer is option B. 1498. Next question 8. The capital of the Vijayanagara Empire was. Correct answer is option A. Hampi. Next question 9. Who founded the Vijayanagara Empire? Correct answer is option A. Harihara Anbukka. Next question 10. Who was the greatest ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire? Correct answer is option C. Krishnadevaraya. Next question 11. Who built the Qutub Minar? Correct answer is option B. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Next question 12. Who completed the Qutub Minar? Correct answer is option B. Iltutmish. Next question 13. Who founded the Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer is option B. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Friends, if you like the video, then please subscribe the channel. Next question 14. The second battle of Panipat was fought in. Correct answer is option B. 1556. Next question 15. The third battle of Panipat was fought in. Correct answer is option C. 1761. Next question 16. Who founded the slave dynasty? Correct answer is option A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Next question 17. Who was the first woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer is option B. Razia Sultan. Next question 18. Who built Fatehpur Sikri? Correct answer is option C. Akbar. Next question 19. Who wrote the Akbarnama? Correct answer is option A. Abul Fazl. Next question 20. Who founded the Sikh religion? Correct answer is option B. Guru Nanak Dev. Next question 21. The Golden Temple is located in. Correct answer is option B. Amritsar. Next question 22. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Correct answer is option B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next question 23. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Correct answer is option A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next question 24. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Correct answer is option B. Swami Vivekanand. Next question 25. Who was known as the Nightingale of India? Correct answer is option B. Sarojini Naidu. Next question 26. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? Correct answer is option A. C. Rajagopalachari. Next question 27. Which movement is associated with the slogan, Quit India? Correct answer is option C. Quit India movement. Next question 28. Quit India movement was launched in. Correct answer is option C. 1942. Next question 29. Who was the founder of the Chola Empire? Correct answer is option B. Vijayalaya Chola. Next question 30. Which Mughal emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Correct answer is option C. Shah Jahan. Next question 31. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? Correct answer is option C. 1764. Next question 32. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? Correct answer is option B. Lord Cornwallis. Next question 33. Who founded the Khalsa Panth? Correct answer is option D. Guru Gobind Singh. Next question 34. The non-cooperation movement was launched in. Correct answer is option B. 1920. Next question 35. Who was popularly known as the Frontier Gandhi? Correct answer is option B. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question 36. Which viceroy announced the partition of Bengal in 1905? Correct answer is option B. Lord Curzon. Next question 37. Who was the first Indian to become President of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option A. W.C. Banerjee. Next question 38. Chanakya was also known as. Correct answer is option B. Vishnugupta. Next question 39. Who founded Nalanda University? Correct answer is option C. Kumaragupta first. Next question 40. The civil disobedience movement began with which historic event? Please comment this answer in the comment below.